Hello, welcome to episode 5 of Practicing Pro with Michael. This episode I will be talking about the navigation tools. With the Explore button highlighted, hold down the left button and then drag your mouse to pan your map. Hold down the right button and then drag your mouse up to zoom out and drag your mouse in or down to zoom in. This button right here that looks like the world, it's the full extent button. It will zoom to the full extent of your data. If you have aerial photography turned on, it could zoom out to the full extent of the aerial photography, out to the state if it's statewide aerial photography, or if you have a base map on, it will zoom out to the world. Next, down below, we have the fixed zoom in and the fixed zoom out button. So from where you are, it will zoom in about 20%. And then the other one here is fixed zoom out. This button here is previous extent, so it will zoom back to where I was previously looking. And then this button here is next extent. This is the bookmark section. You can zoom to, create, or manage your bookmarks for your maps within your project. Click the bookmarks. And these are the bookmarks I already have set up. So I just click one and it zooms to the city of Morven. If I want to set up a new bookmark, I first go to the area that I want to bookmark and say Bookmarks, New Bookmark. Type in the name of the bookmark. Type in the description. And then you can change the font by clicking any of these buttons here. So I'm going to make this bold and make this bold and say OK. So now I have a bookmark for city equipment. This button down here allows you to show you descriptions. Now it says city equipment in Brooks County, Georgia. Turn off descriptions. And here's where I go to manage my bookmarks. You'll see my equipment is at the bottom because I just created it. If I wanted to move them around, I could just hold down this button or hold down there and move it like that. From here, I can also zoom to a bookmark if I want to see where it was bookmarked. I can also pan to it. So pan to the pavo, which does the same thing. I can update the bookmark if I want to. Like if my subdivision grew in size, I could zoom to it and then expand out to the new subdivision and then click this button. And then I can delete a bookmark also or remove it. So let me move equipment back down to here so they're actually alphabetical. And also I want to show you this button here. Go to XY. And then down here it pops up latitude, longitude, decimal degrees, but you can change that. And now once you have it typed in, these light up. And I can pan the map to that location, or I can flash that location on the map. Let me just pan to it. And there I go. It's in the top section of Morven there. Also, another navigation tool that's kind of handy is on the View tab. Over here is the Navigator button. You click it, And now you can click anywhere on it to pan slowly in that direction. And that's the basics of the navigation tools. Thanks for listening.